Hey, what's up guys, Martin Unix here, and welcome again to my YouTube channel guys. Today I'm going to show you on how to do fishtail braid, and our fishtail braid guys is gonna be coiled to the crown area, and I want to do that on medium length locks. Welcome guys. So welcome guys, this is the length of my locks. They are not quite lengthier, so I'm going to show you on how to do a fishtail braid guys on the crown area. And by doing so guys, it will be a slowed down fashion just for the sake of our beginners. So guys, to kick off, just begin by identifying where you wanna start your braiding. On my case guys, I'm going to start at this particular area. My fishtail is gonna come this way all the way at the crown area. So by doing so guys, I'll have to separate some strands here. So guys, I'm gonna keep this just to help me when doing my finishing kick at the crown area. But guys, let's begin. And to begin with, you'll realize that fishtail braid is usually double-sided. That way guys, I'm just going to pick my first strand here, pick the second strand, let it come over the first one, then pick another strand from the left side, let it come over this strand here. You can have a look guys. I'm gonna be slow just for the sake of our beginners. Then pick another strand from this side, that way, let it come over that way. Then from this particular point guys, I'm gonna begin by picking strands from underneath. That way guys, you'll realize that I'll be picking strands, letting the strands to come from underneath my styling. That way guys, I'll pick the strand from this side, let it come under that way, to the left side, let it come over that way. Pick another strand from the left side, let it come under, then over on the other side, lay it down, pick another strand, and the sequence continues guys that way as you work backwards, over. Then I'm gonna go twice guys the other side, because it seems there is no strand to pick here. Then I'm gonna pick this strand here, let it come under, then over that way. Now guys, I'm gonna pick strand from this side just to balance my fishtail and keep the rhythm that way. Pick another strand from this side, under, over that way. It's quite simple guys. Pick this strand here, let it come under, then over that way. You need to observe neatness guys. Our fishtail is gonna be taking a turn, so you need to work backwards as well as observing the turn. So I'm gonna pick another strand here, and remember guys, you begin with the strand which is at the farthest. Now remember guys that as you work backwards, you need to balance the volume of the strands from both sides. Now by doing so guys, you'll be facing challenges, and some of those challenges are we have no many strands which are coming from the left side. so you realize that most of the strands are coming from the right side. So at times guys, you can pick strand. For instance, you can pick this strand here, that way. Just incorporate the strand and attach it to the left side, that way. Just attach such strand to the left side. Remember this, the strand which we had done there before from the left side. Just let it lie loose. Attach this strand here to the left side. You attach it that way. Now upon attaching the strand, let this strand from the left side pass under, reinforcing and securing the strand which you have just attached, that way. Then you can adjust to affirm the strand. You can just adjust it a little bit, that way. Pick this strand here, let it come under on the other side, that way. Pick another strand from this side, let it come over once on the left side. Now by doing so guys, you'll be taking care of volume on the right side. Pick this strand from this far end, let it come under to this side, that way. Let it come over once more, that way. Remember guys, it's just a slowed down version, just for the sake of our beginners. Pick another strand from underneath guys, let it come over, that way. Balancing your style as well as taking a curve. Remember our fishtail will be curved. Pick another strand from this side, let it come under, that way. The other side, under, then over, that way. Pick another strand, like that. You can incorporate this strand from this area guys, just incorporate this strand here. As usual guys, we are going to reinforce the strand using the strand which we had just passed over on the left side, that way. Then under, that way. Pick another strand. Just learn with me guys, as well as liking my work, comment and share to your friends. Pick another strand from the farthest corner, that way. Remember we said you begin with the farthest strand. Attach it. Since the length of the strand is kinda small guys, it will come once. Pick the second strand, let it come under, then over, then over. Just to keep the uniformity and the rhythm in our style guys, we need to pick a strand from the left side down. So now we are going to pick a strand from the left side, this strand here. Let it come under, that way. It will balance our curving, that way. Then over. Pick another strand from this side. Let it come over. Just learn with me guys, as well as liking my work, comment and share to your friends. Another strand from underneath guys, over. Just to remind you guys, when the strands are many on this side, you'll just need to attach some of the strands. For instance, I'm gonna pick this strand here, this one. I'm gonna attach it on the right side. This time around I'm gonna attach it on the right side, that way. Then I'm gonna pick this strand here, reinforce that strand, pick another strand, guys, let it pass under. So basically, guys, the formula is just incorporating strands to the fishtail braid as you manage the volume of the strands from both sides, as well as working backwards. It's a technical way of coming up with ideal styles which look pleasing to the eye. That way, let it come under, then reinforce. I'm gonna introduce another tip, and just to manage your curve, another way of managing your curve, guys, you can just pick the strand here, let it come under the first section, that is the right section, then wrap it here, you know, at the right side. Just wrap it on the right section, that way. Then let it come under the other section. Or else, guys, if the length of the strands on the right side is 1T, you can as well attach it to the right side. While working on, guys, you need to pick more strands. This time around I'm gonna pick another strand from underneath, let it come the right side, that way. Remember, guys, we are taking a curve, so we need to incline our style in a way, that way. Remember, now we are tilting our style towards our finishing kick, guys. We need to change tacts just to hand flavor on our style. So, guys, since seeing is believing and it's better than hearing, you can have a look, guys. Now you can clearly see what I'm doing. Just trying to incorporate strands as I work backwards, as well as tilting our style to a certain angle. Towards the crown area, that way. Just work on and on and on. You know, just incorporate the strands, guys, as you work backwards, that way. But, guys, this is a slowed down version. Just for the sake of our beginners, guys, I hope this time around, guys, we are not too fast and you can clearly understand what I'm doing. That way. Just learn with me, guys, as well as liking my work, comment and share to your friends. Just incorporate strands as you work backwards towards your finishing area. So just to wind up, guys, you can do the barrel roll at the ending, area. That way. So, guys, this is our finishing, finishing look. and we can go around if you have a look on our style. Remember that guys, we have done this on medium length dreadlocks. It's a nice style guys that you can try out. It's a nice look guys that is of informal sectors. I want to urge you guys to try out this one. It's a lovely look. It's a fishtail braid which is coiled to the crown. It's amazing. It's lovely. Thank you guys for watching. I hope my tutorial has been informative as well as being educative. Kindly share this tutorial to your friends, and I hope you have mastered the formula on how to come up with this kind of fishtail braid. It's a fishtail braid guys which can be done on medium length dreadlocks, and it's a coiled fishtail braid which is coiled to the crown. You can have a look guys, it's amazing. You can try out this one, it's lovely.